badass. Well, actually, this is my old one from Troy Build that I've used for about 7.5 years, and it's done a great job. It's been reliable, it's been easy to use, but this is one of the most basics you can get. It was my first lawnmower when I bought my first house. So I decided this year it is time to upgrade. So today it's going to be part one out of 2 videos. Today I'm just going to unbox this and put it together and take a quick look around, and then in a couple of weeks when it's time to actually cut some grass, we're going to do that. We're going to see how it works, see how it sounds, how it operates, and how it compares, to the old boy. So, right. So I moved it to a little bit more comfortable spot, and let's take a quick look at the box first. Just some basic specs here. This is a HRN216VYA. Y here stands for rotostop technology, and this is one of the big reasons why I choose this particular lawnmower from Honda. Besides the fact that Honda is supposed to be one of the most reliable, one of the most fun to use lawnmowers out there. So let's get in. So there are a couple of things that wasn't too clear to me from the start. For example, does it come with engine oil? And I see right here, and yes it does. I actually then learned that it does state that on Lowe's.com, but I didn't see it anywhere on the website, so I wasn't so sure. We'll take a look at the manual and assembly instructions in a second. Next, there's a bag. Pretty cool color. Kind of like metallic gray. It says Honda on it. That's nice. Put it there. And look, man, there's not much else really to it. There's a lawnmower. I'm gonna need to use both hands to get this big boy out. So give me 1 sec. Much better. Okay, it's probably gonna be a little bit awkward. He weighs about 100 pounds, 90 pounds I believe it says, or over 90 pounds. Okay, so there's that. There's something else right here. Looks like this will be part of the bag assembly. This is where the bag goes. Alright, we'll do that. Wow, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. 1 second. For a closer look. Look at you. Okay. It is beautiful. Let's see if I can get it out without dropping it or breaking something, or breaking my back. Very good quality material so far. It's easy as that. Now let's go back into handheld mode. and take one more look around. So I do dig the way it looks. This is big metal piece compared to the older Honda models. They looked like they had some kind of plastic cover on them. They got all scratched up and beat up, even just sitting on the shelf at Lowe's. This is much nicer. And I believe this is one of the new models this year, so they're probably gonna all switch to that eventually. So we have cut height adjustment here, front and rear. We have bag or mulch selector right there. Gas goes right in there. So brand new, nothing ever in there. Oil. Yep. We'll need to play with that. Starting cord. Rotor stop switch. We'll look a little bit more at that whenever we actually go use it. This is a smart drive control. Part of blade control. Ooh, this is very light. Might not be so light when it's actually riding though, we'll see. And here's engine power adjustment, I believe. We'll see how that works. And one other cool thing, there's a fuel valve, so you have to switch that to start the mower and shut off. Back here, there's a bag discharge area, or if you're not using the bag, it's just gonna discharge right down here. That's kind of interesting. Never had one that works this way. We'll see how that works. And of course, whenever you mulch, they're just gonna stay inside. Let's see if we can carefully flip it on its side without dropping or breaking anything. As careful as I can be. There's your double blade. You can see under the engine there. See your transmission or self-propelled drive here. Nothing in the front. Again, very nice, thick metal body. And back on its upright position. I gotta say, I'm very impressed. The materials feels really, really good. Just gonna take one last quick look around here. So, about 2-3 weeks or so, when the time comes to actually start cutting grass, we're gonna have much more fun with this. For now, just one. Okay, this is muffler, spark plug, and the air filters in there. So today I just wanted to unpack it, take a quick look around. We still need to do the bag, so let's do that. Very nice. It's a very high-end looking. For a residential lawnmower, I think it's pretty much as nice as you can get right now. Like I said, I'm not actually going to start it today because there's nothing to cut outside. We're just going to wait a couple of weeks and do part 2 of this video with actual tests and engine sounds and all that. So thanks for watching.